Anaconda Mobile video
In
training
this video,
tutorial
I'll be going
part
through
9,
card
setting the
activation
roaming
and order
profiles.
processing. I'll be demonstrating what to do by placing an actual order
To
on the
set
Anaconda
the roaming
Mobile
profile,
website,
simply
and
go
then
to
activating
the
this
reseller
card and
page.
processing
In this case,
the order
we are
on
the
our
Anaconda
NRMA platform.
Mobile Malaysia
So
page.
to simulate what the
This is the
customer would
page
do
that,
to place an order, they would click
Anaconda
Buy SIM
Malaysia
now
will set
on the
their
NRMA
profiles.
website, add to cart.
Or simply go to the
They would fill out
toolbar,
these details here.
features, go down to roaming profiles, click on the roaming
They might
profiles,
select
and what
$100
comes
card.
up is this free profiles.
And for instance here,
First two
let's say they have
relate
an
to
iPhone
the
4.
United States. The customer has access
they will not have their card
to
at this
these
stage,
profiles. They can change
so
these
the last 6
profiles
digits will not be
through
known to
their
them.
account page. The reason for this,
And the member number
AT&T
is
have
not
very
important.
competitive data rates in USA. However,
Now
they
we
do
have
not
added
have
a
good
$50
call rates.
or $100 SIM card to
T-Mobile
the shopping
has good
card.
call rates and good
We now
data
view the
rates.
cart.
But AT&T is considered the
And
premier
proceed to the
network
checkout.
in the United States, and customers will have better access to the networks or more networks.
This
in the United
customer would
States.
presumably
So if
be
they're
a
not
new customer,
receiving
and so they would
good signal
register a
from
new account.
T-Mobile, they're able to go.
And
back
they'll
to
fill out
AT&T.
all these details here.
Here,
I have already
relates to
placed an
reseller,
order for
which is
John
reseller's
Farmer.
new MZ7, MZ4. That will be the general.
So there's no
roaming
need to go through all
platform
this now.
that has been
I'll now
created.
take you to
We
the
won't go
billing
into this one yet
platform
because we
where
haven't
we'll
set up
activate
the cards.
John's
It
card.
won't take long to do that. In this instance, we'll just show you how to do
So
this.
to activate his card, we first need to allocate a card to him.
Edit.
Now we can select any card from our supply of standard SIM
And
cards.
as you can see,
We know that it's got to be a
profile
standard
similar to
SIM
the rate sheet
because
will come
he
up.
has told us
Now let's
in
just
his
go
order
to
that he has an iPhone
United
4.
States.
So the
As
last
an
6
example.
digits of the SIM that I have selected for John are 87445.
So if I clicked on that, you can see we have 4 networks available to us in the United States.
Now we need to type this
First
into
one
the
being
search bar here
T-Mobile
in order to
USA.
find his card.
We see that
So
we've
now
got
we're
very
going to
good
rename
rates
this card
for
John Farmer.
inbound and direct dialing. AT&T, we don't have such good rates for calls, but we have very good rates
Click
for
Save.
data. Please note these aren't the correct rates yet.
And it
because they haven't
says
been
the
set.
SIM card renamed
Nevertheless,
to John
we'll show you
Farmer successfully.
The basics of how it
So
works.
we click OK.
So we want to set this as a direct dial because
Now we see here that
we
there are
have
2
very good
mobile
rates for
numbers
direct
on this
dial,
card.
similar to call
One
back.
is an
Now we can
American
change,
number and one is a UK number. This top one here is the
This
American
on other
number
networks to callback.
and can be written as +1 301 232 0918.
In this
And the
instance,
we can tell this bottom one is
running on
the UK
MZ4
number because the prefix
on
is
T-Mobile.
+44. So
we
these
set it
are
as
2
direct.
free numbers
We
that
set it as
come
a
with
normal
every
priority.
card that we send out, and they have already been
Okay.
added on there.
We go here, we scroll down here.
Just so you know
and we can
actually
do the
how to
same
add these
with
numbers on, it's very, very
GCI
easy.
communication.
All you do is go to
We
Add
may
Number,
not have very good
and you can
direct dial
select
rates, so we'll just
which
set that
country
as
you would like to add a number
USSD
from.
callback.
In this
You can see
case
here we
here,
have
we've already
USSD
selected the
callback
United
with
States
SMS.
one and the
Now
United
the reason
Kingdom
for
one.
that, the reason for this, if the network has an issue, they can use
Once
an
we've done
SMS.
this, we need to just
Customer
make sure these have been
initiate
activated
call for
here.
SMS
The
automatically.
status of
This is rarely
the
used,
card,
so we put this, we discount that, and
the
just
SIP
use it as
and the
USSD
voicemail.
callback only.
data should
So we set
already
that.
be activated, but if
Now
it
what we
isn't, make
do
sure
here,
you
we can
activate
set
it.
it as a normal rate.
So now we have renamed
The
his
customer
card in the
arrives
system.
in the country, they turn
We
the
need to
phone
go
on,
to
and
the
it will
NRMA
pick up the strongest
administration
network
platform
with the
and
highest
search
priority.
for
So we have
John's
normal
name
priority.
in here.
Or if we don't, if it is expensive countries such as expensive networks such as
John Farmer
AT&T,
has a few
we
accounts,
set as low.
but this is the one that we'll be looking
So
at.
we have
this
scroll
top
through
one here.
this as an instance. So we
So
have
we'll go to
what would happen
options
in this case.
and select
The
accounts.
phone will turn on. It will try and get T-Mobile. If T-Mobile
Click
is not
Add.
available or low signal, it will pick up the Telner. Now neither of those are available.
Keep in mind that
It will
this
then
is a
go
standard
to the
process
next
that you will be
pecking
going
order
through every
and
time you
probably
receive
pick up
an order.
AT&T or
So this
CDI,
process does not change.
GCI communications.
We need to select John Farmer here.
Now we'll just scroll to
Select his
Malaysia.
name.
We'll show you how
His
to
account
block the
number will
network.
then come up in this search bar here.
This is extremely
And
simple.
then we will type
What we do is block all
name
the
again.
networks as per
down there
the telecommunication law in
and click add.
in Malaysia that requires Anaconda Mobile.
We need
not
to wait
use
for
the
this
phone in
page
that
to
country.
refresh and for this
So we've just
information
blocked
to be
it
filled out
here.
automatically.
It doesn't matter
here.
about the priorities because the networks are
And
blocked.
then go to top up
Simple as that.
management
Now,
and make the remaining
go
balance
back
of his card
from there.
$100.
So we'll just go back previous page.
And then click update.
If we had a reseller in Singapore Airport would set Singapore
Now we're
Airport
almost finished activating his
as a
card,
roaming profile.
except
We may
his
have
account remains
Delhi
deactivated.
Airport. We may have
to activate his account,
Bangkok
which is going
Airport,
to be
where the
important when
Malaysians
he
are
wants
selling
to log
their
into
cards.
his
we can
account
set
and top
because
up.
it's on a
We
different
need
profile.
to click on
we
user
don't have to
accounts,
block Malaysia because the card has
which
not
will take
been
us back to
sold.
John's profile here.
that country.
And as you can see, the
Now,
account
it's a very
status
simple
is still
process. It will not
deactivated.
take long at all.
All we do to
either
activate
bar,
this account
bar
is to
means
click
block
options
or
and
allow
then click on edit.
that network to be used.
As you can see here, the account status is deactivated. We just change it to activated and click edit. Now John's card and account has been activated and his order has been processed.